One quirk of the E92 M3 that even some owners might not even notice has to do with the M3's OEM carbon fiber roof. All E92 M3s came with a carbon fiber roof from the factory. The roof is made in a 1x1 weave. For an owner like myself who opts for some of BMW's M Performance carbon fiber bits, like the carbon fiber mirrors and carbon fiber spoilers, the weave and the carbon fiber mirrors and spoiler do not match the carbon fiber roof. Both the mirror and the spoiler are both made in a 2x2 weave. BMW M Performance also offers a carbon fiber splitter option, which I do not have, but the splitter, the mirrors, and the spoiler all match each other, they just do not match the roof. My next quirk has to do with the lifeblood of the M3. While it's not a quirk only to the E92 M3, the E46 M3 before it needed the oil as well. The E92 M3 requires 10W60 weighted oil. BMW originally required a Castrol formula oil, which can be seen on the engine bay stickers of all the M3 models. They switched to a generic blue-like bottle, which was apparently made by Shell, but if you stick to the original Castrol formula, they've recently changed bottles, and an interesting quirk of the bottle is on the back. It mentions that it's approved for BMW M models, and it's also approved for Koenigsegg engines, which is a nice little quirk, really good, in with good company. Performance cars, which engines eat up every ounce of space in the engine bay. The E92 M3 and regular 3 Series have the battery in the back. The quirk with the battery is this red square device, which is attached to the top of the battery. When changing your batteries to new batteries, you need to have the new battery registered to your car. You can register the battery at home if you have the right equipment, such as the BMW Carly app, an ODB adapter, some sort of alternative to the Carly app, or you may have to go visit a BMW dealer or independent dealer that knows how to handle BMW batteries. There is no definitive issue that will happen if you do not register your battery, but many owners will attest and warn that without doing it, electronic gremlins will happen, battery overcharging can occur, or even battery drain can happen. I touched on the BMW M3's unique oil, but there's another interesting oil-related M3 quirk that annoys many M3 owners. There is actually no physical dipstick associated with the engine. The oil is read by a sensor and displayed in 2 locations for the driver. You can see the oil level between the speedometer and the tach, as well as on a vehicle status screen in the iDrive system. The M3's 10W60 thick oil takes time to warm up, and the sensor will not read the oil until around 210 degrees. This quirk is more of an interesting protective feature of the E92 M3. The E92 M3 has a unique cold start and moving red line that will unlock a higher revving ability once the engine is up to optimum temperature. The rough, loud cold start is mainly to warm up the catalytic converters. The moving red line behaves much like the E60 M5, which was covered by Doug on his channel.